Yo, what's going on, guys? What is going on? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Who's all in the house? I got my tea ready to go, guys. We are packed, stacked, and jacked, stacked, and fanny packed. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. First of all, we're going to look at some charts today, guys. We're going to look at some charts. We're going to have some fun. All right. So let's get into the chat here real quick. First of all, let me have a sip of my tea here. Need the energy to keep up with you guys. Okay. Nice. Hot tea on a hot day. Sounds like a great idea. Why don't I just drink milk, right? Crypto Holmes, what's up, buddy? What's going on, my friend? Thank you. Oh, happy birthday. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Yeah, it's my birthday today. It's a great little day, guys. I had some good breakfast. Wife made me some good breakfast. So far, so good. It's gonna be a good time, man. It's gonna be a good time. Then, of course, there is me saying, make sure you smash the likes and sub to the channel, guys, to help it grow. That would mean everything. Guys, if you want to do me a favor and hit the subscribe button, that'll be great. Hey, Rob, on your JASMY review video, you said market cap between 10 to 25 billion is this bull run. That would put it somewhere around 50 cents, give or take 2 or 3 cents. Kevin, hey, Rob, sorry, out to lunch with family, but I will rewatch the stream afterwards. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to become a member. Yes, absolutely, man. Have a fantastic time with your family, brother. Isaac with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you, man. Happy birthday, Rob. I know this gift is only $20, but invest it in JASMY, and it'll be a hell of a lot more. Yes, you are not wrong, man. And listen, I don't care if it was 99 cents, man. It's the thought that counts. So thank you so much, brother, for the super chat. $20 is absolutely fantastic, man. And I will put it into JASMY, my friend. I will absolutely put it into JASMY. I'll turn it into 20,000, right? There you go. Furkan, I watched a lot of content makers, but the videos you bring out educates me more than all of the other YouTubers. I want to thank you for that, and happy birthday. Thank you so much, man. And I'm glad that I could help, provide more educational content. Absolutely, man. Thank you so much. That means a lot. And thank you for the happy birthday as well. William, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Boomer, what's up, broski? Happy birthday. Thank you so much, Boomer. Thank you so much, brother. Micro Dips, happy Father's Day, everyone. Yes, it is Father's Day tomorrow, guys. Happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. The struggle is real, guys. We know what it is, right? Gotta be a man. Gotta be a dad. Derek climbed a few Monroes in Scotland today. Now sitting in my garden waiting for Rob. Nice. I wish I was down there in Scotland right now, brother. Very nice. Very, very cool, man. The phone just obviously won't stop lighting up, eh? Jason, yo, JASMY Army. Absolutely, man. Forget about it. Happy birthday. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. That would be between 20 and 40 cents. Oh, there you go. There you go, man. And that's if the tokenomics stay where they are, right? So, but we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. And I am roasting like a pig already in here. It is hot. I usually have to close my office door because otherwise my little guy will come running in here, right? So the AC is just outside my office, so I got to open the door a little bit to let some of that air in. And yeah, hopefully he doesn't come running in here, guys. So Nick, JASMY and XRP joint. Yes, I did a video covering that, Nick. Definitely, I would highly recommend going to check it out. Do a little bit of a breakdown on it. So definitely watch that, man. It makes sense, right? It makes a hell of a lot of sense for that to be the case. Ripple wants to invest into its thing is it's not so much XRP and JASMY, it's Ripple and JASMY, right? Now, what they're talking about here is we're talking about Ripple who is now as a company going into Japan and Korea, and they want to start investing in blockchain companies that are startups out there in Korea and Japan. And JASMY being one of the top 3, I would argue top 2 blockchain companies in Japan. There's only 2 or 3, right? So JASMY would be a logical choice, not to mention the fact that the PDL and JASMY's technology could complement the XRP ledger in many, many ways. So in saying that, it makes a lot of sense for Ripple to invest in JASMY, right? And Junction, so to speak. So yes, absolutely, man. William with the $10 super chat. Happy birthday, William. Thank you so much, my friend. Obviously, honestly, guys, the super chats for the birthday, thank you so much. It means a lot, guys. Right in the feels, guys. Right in the feels. Thank you so much. Boomer, yes, 20 to 40 cents is a circulating supply stance right now. Supply goes down, price goes up. Absolutely, man. Big things popping, little things stopping. Sorry, guys. Gotta drink my tea. It helps me. It helps me get the energy to sometimes it's hard to get the energy to talk for an hour and a half. You know what I'm saying? So, also, guys, listen. I'm going to start, you guys started asking me to put out more XCN content, okay? So what I did to kind of test the waters is I did a series of 5 videos breaking down the white paper, right? And you guys have been, so far, you guys have been engaging with it fantastically. So I've decided I'm going to ramp up the XCN Onyx Coin content to another level, right? So I just released one before the stream, an XCN video. I have another price target XCN video coming out tomorrow. So the XCN content is going to be ratcheted up. I'm going to ratchet it up. Anyway, and also I'm going to be starting to cover a lot more of the BlockDAG project, right? So there's going to be a lot of BlockDAG stuff coming out as well. So keep an eye out for that, guys. It's not going to slow down the JASMY content. I just want to add more content to add a little bit more range. And since XCN is a project that you guys enjoy, and also Swift, I'll still throw in Swift as well, right? But since you guys like these projects, I'm going to ramp up the coverage of them. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. So JASMY Society, happy birthday, Rob. You are great. Remember, you are not poor. You're just pre-rich. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. And thank you so much. Thank you for the birthday wishes, my friend. My dad did our family tree, and somewhere in the line is Robert the Bruce. Nice. Really? That is epic, man. Because I'm actually 90, almost, I think 90 something, 92, 90, 91, 92% Celtic. 79% Scottish, something like 10%, no, not 10%, yeah, 10% Irish, and then just a little bit of Swedish. So I'm heavy Celtic. Most of my biological family is actually in Scotland. I found out through Ancestry.com. So, because quick little background on me. I don't know if you guys care or not, but I don't know my dad, and I don't think he never knew I was born. And my mom passed away, and she was adopted. So I don't know any of my family. So, but to find on Ancestry that I actually have a ton of biological family, including my father out in Scotland, it's very, very motivating for me to get out there, right? So yeah. Love XCN content. Nice. Perfect. It's coming, brother. It's coming in spades. I literally just released an XCN video before I went live. So, Isaac, Rob, no homo, but in the crypto, there is no me without you. That's awesome, brother. That's awesome. Forget about it. More XCN content. Awesome. Yes, absolutely, man. We're going to ramp it up, guys. Bagged 160,000 XCN today. Nice pop-up Kev. That is epic, brother. That's a nice bag. I gotta start picking some more up too. I'm gonna be picking some up probably in the next couple of days. Another big hefty bag. So, John, happy birthday! Thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. Is 125,000 JASMY enough? Well, what I would say is that I usually say if someone's going to hold Jasmy, they should hold at least 100,000 coins. That's just my personal opinion. So yeah, I would say that you're definitely over the threshold, my friend, of where I think someone should be holding, right? So yes, absolutely. You're doing all right, man. You're doing all right. Gary, good morning. Happy birthday. Thank you, Gary. Thank you so much, brother. It means a lot. It means a lot. Happy birthday to the best Jasmy content creator, and happy Father's Day. Thank you so much, man. Double thank you. Nick, happy birthday. Thank you so much, Nick. I appreciate it, brother. Do you know how much Miria supply will be released in the next year? William, I don't know the exact number, but what I will tell you is this, okay? I'm going to help you out with that right now. I got you covered, brother. I got you covered, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go down here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put the link to this website in the chat for you, okay? It's Crypto Rank. All right. Now, copy it from the chat and save it to your browser, all right? Now, what this does is it shows you token unlocks, right? So you can search for a specific coin if you want right here. You just go, just type in Miria, right? Boom, there you go. It'll tell you when the next unlock is, and it will tell you how much they're unlocking and everything, okay? So save that to your browser, brother. Hook you up with a little tool there, and then you can always check on it whenever you feel like it, right? So yeah, I got your back, brother. Boomer, I'm going to have to make it to Scotland sometime. Supposedly the family has crests and stuff. There's a butcher in the line as well, but I don't remember his name. Nice, man. Yeah, got to get out there. Beautiful country from what I understand. Maltasanti, what's going on, buddy? Chris, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Should I convert my 2 million spell to Jasmy? If it was me, well, let me ask you this first. In your spell, are you in the green? If it was me, hypothetically, and I was in the green on my spell, I would most definitely convert it over to Jasmy. That's what I would do. Big Watch Dude, what's up? Happy B-Day, Rob Father. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Juicy birthday. Absolutely. Thank you. GT, okay, Rob, Brian Armstrong of Coinbase said JP Morgan's working with Onyx Live on air yesterday. Is he talking about ours or someone else's? He's talking, okay, JP Morgan created their own coin, and it's their own project that tokenizes assets. That's what they do, okay? And it has nothing to do with XCN. It has nothing to do with our project. It's a completely separate Onyx project, right? Completely different. They're not correlated in any way. If you watch the white paper videos as they come out, there's like 3 more coming out still. I break down the whole thing. There's absolutely zero mention of anyone from JP Morgan, zero mention of the utility behind JP Morgan's Onyx coin, which is, like I said, the tokenization of assets, right? So it's a completely different thing. JP Morgan's Onyx is a tokenization of assets. Our XCN Onyx coin is a lending protocol, essentially, right? Lending and borrowing protocol. Any bullish catalyst for Jasmy carbon credits? I mean, I'd really have to think about it to see what we have coming up, but there's nothing on the agenda yet. But just so you guys know, speaking of Jasmy, I shot Jesse a message about an hour ago, and just seeing if he's available. Maybe I'll get him back on the channel. Me and him will have another chat, maybe on Monday or Tuesday. So maybe keep an eye out for that, guys. I'll let you know what Jesse says. See if he's free. We'll do another. If you don't know who Jesse is, he's the Jasmy ambassador. So he's a good friend of mine. He comes on the channel from time to time, and we have some Jasmy talk. We talk crypto, usually for about 3 hours. So you guys, it's pretty good stuff. You guys don't want to miss it. So yeah, absolutely. What do we got here? Fast Too Curious. Happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. Thank you. Absolutely, guys. Again, the super chats, the birthday super chats, guys. It's absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna put it all into JASMY as a dedication to you guys. Thank you so much. It really does mean a lot, guys. It means a hell of a lot. So thank you. And the support, guys, the support for the channel is just like it's holy smokes fantastic, right? And guys, I can't even tell you how happy I am that you guys are excited about having the XCN content increase, right? I was really hoping that was going to hit, and it has. So thank you so much for that, guys. I'm excited to do more coverage of it. So. Jason, happy birthday. By the way, Rob, your content for JASMY is invaluable and a real asset to the JASMY community. Currently sipping a pint of Ashai Japanese beer in the back garden in celebration of your day. Thank you so much, Jason. Make sure you crack a cold one for me, brother. It means a lot. And your comments mean a lot too, man. Thank you so much. What else do we got? Luke, JASMY birthday from South Texas. Rob, any thoughts on stacks? Thank you so much. And yes, stacks, I'm bullish on stacks, guys. Stacks is a layer 2 on Bitcoin network. So when Bitcoin pumps, obviously stack tends to pump as well. It's a fantastic project, guys. I am bullish. I don't hold any stacks, but I think it is a fantastic project because it is a layer 2. It's like, for me, it's like the layer 2 on Bitcoin, right? Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look at stacks, guys. We don't look at stacks very often. Yeah, almost a $4 billion market cap. I dig the tokenomics. Yeah, stacks could do fantastic, guys. All-time high was $5.28. Guys, I gotta be honest with you. If Bitcoin does hit that $200,000 range, stacks, you're going to be looking at probably somewhere closer to $15 to $20 for stacks. It's going to go up with Bitcoin bigly, in my opinion. So it's a great project for sure. Isaac, Rob, do you see Algorand going down anytime soon so I can DCA more? You know what? I did do a video talking about the live stream yesterday, sorry, talking about the potential of a 52K Bitcoin. And if we do see Bitcoin pull back to that level, guys, listen, and I have a video coming out about it too, but listen, that is going to be an absolutely phenomenal opportunity to stock up on whether it's Algorand, JASMY, XCN, Swift, whatever it is, right? It's going to be, oh man, a phenomenal opportunity, guys. So be excited about that because you're not going to get many more opportunities like that. So, hey, Rob, have a good birthday. I saw your last video on XCN. How are you expecting BTC to go? And when do you see an uptrend? Well, I mean, I've laid out two scenarios for Bitcoin, right? Again, I talked about how we could see, because listen, I have a video, I think it's coming out today. It's coming out today, I think. And I talk about how my reasoning behind there could be, the potential of a 52K Bitcoin, right? So I would encourage you definitely watch that video tonight, but that is one possibility. Is it likely? It's less likely, to be honest with you. It's less likely, but it is possible, okay? But the other scenario that I've laid out is this one here, right? And that is this inverse head and shoulders playing out, which it has to this point played out very, very well. And if this continues to play out, then we will be looking at a $90,000 to $91,000 Bitcoin in the short term, right? So I know it's kind of shitty to be like, well, it could go up, it could go down, but I mean, it just is what it is, right? It can go up or it can go down. You know what I mean? So yeah. But those are the two scenarios I have laid out for you guys, right? Either the inverse head and shoulders is going to play out and we're going to see a run to the upside of 90, 91K, or Bitcoin's going to retrace because it has no business being at the price that it is right now. Because it is right now, if you compare it to the last three cycles, Bitcoin is actually ahead of all the other three cycles. And based on diminishing returns, it should not be. The only reason that it is because of the inflated price because of the ETFs. It's artificially inflated, right? So we're way ahead of where we should be in the cycle, guys, for Bitcoin's price action, which has thrown a lot of people's TA off, right? So it is entirely possible that we retrace back down to where we should be, which is right around that 52K level before breaking out near closer to Q4 of this year, again, starting our parabolic run like we should be, right? So it's entirely possible. XCN on the come up. July will be big. Absolutely. Morning, bro, from Los Angeles. LA in the house. Nice. Your intel has positioned me with decent bags of Swift Jasmy Turbo, specifically on this dip. Nice. Congratulations, man. I really hope that gives you fantastic returns, man. Happy birthday, brother. Hey, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Plain Dave, what's going on, buddy? Thanks for all you do, Rob. Happy birthday. Mine's next Saturday. Nice. Thank you so much. And hey, Plain Dave, if I don't talk to you before then, happy birthday to you too, my friend. So I sold my bags and went all in on Turbo and Bambit. I think Bambit's lower cap coin, 80 circulating supply and 100% is circulation. Yeah, I looked at that with you the other day, right? Was it yesterday we looked at that? Yeah, it's not on Coin Market Cap yet. The price is not tracked, but very, very early project, man. Let's you know what? Let's read the write-up on what exactly Bambit is. How's that? So about Bambit. Now, before you start thinking we're just another run-of-the-mill meme coin, hold your bamboo snacks, because there's more to Bambit than meets the eye. Sure, we are a meme. We've got memes for days, but we're not stopping there. We're bringing utility to the table faster than you can say bamboo buffet. Nice. Think staking merchandise. That's more converted than the panda in a snowstorm. Games that'll have you rolling on the floor laughing like a panda. Nice. So they're planning on bringing some utility too. It's good to get in on this early, my friend. It definitely is. I looked at the chart over on, let's look at the chart over on Dex Tools. Let's see if it comes up here. It's on Solana, right? It's got to be this one here. Yeah. I think you're wise to do this, my friend. I do. I think this is so early. A $1.58 million market cap. This one, if it goes on a run, man, you're going to be laughing. You're going to be laughing, brother, for sure. So I don't know. I would probably do the same thing, man. I'm honestly considering picking some up myself over on Radium. So yeah, good call, man. Good call. I think it might take a little bit to run just because of the market the way that it is right now. But when it does, I think you'll be very pleased. Sold my Pepe bag. I meant nice. I'm still holding mine. Anton, happy birthday, Rob. All the best. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. Algorand content, please. I need help feeling more bullish on it. Yes. Hey, I will absolutely increase the Algorand coverage as well. I used to do quite a bit of it. I used to do at least 1 or 2 videos a week of Algorand, but it wasn't getting much engagement. But again, the channel was significantly smaller back then, so I'll throw some more Algorand content in there for sure as well. See if it catches on. And yeah, absolutely. I got you covered, man. I got you covered. Just go in PP. I call it PP instead of Pepe because it's an I. I don't know. A couple days ago, but although I think it will do well, Bambit has a lower market cap, 100%. Yeah, I agree. I agree. And that Pepe PEI, that's been kind of really crashing quite a bit over the last few days too, right? Hasn't been having a great time. Gabe, happy birthday, man, and thanks for all the help these last couple of weeks. Plan to be following along for a long time to come. I really respect how humble you are compared to many other crypto YouTubers. Thank you so much, Gabe. I appreciate that, brother. I just try to be me. You know what I mean? Just try to be me, brother. William, it looks like Miria is unlocking every month. Do you still see opportunity? Of course, yeah. I'm actually looking at buying Miria at these levels because I have a higher cost average than what it is right now. So I'm considering buying more. So I think Miria is going to mirror what Gala did in the last bull run. It's not going to do exactly the same, but I think it's going to mirror it pretty well. Thomas, hey buddy, what's going on, man? Glad to be on board, mates. Future Double Coma Club. Yes, absolutely, man. Thank you for joining the family, my friend. It's awesome to have you here. And guys, also, listen, if you want to do me a favor, you want to give me a birthday present, smash that subscribe button. V1 Holder, what's going on, man? Hand sanitizer, poo poo pee pee, and nice. Enzo, Rob, yesterday Binance and Coinbase defended Bitcoin 65K like hell. Some whales, they don't want Bitcoin below 65. Yes, no, I agree, but I do think that it is reasonable, right? It is reasonable, but every time you have to remember too, every time it starts to pull back down like that, you also have BlackRock that's probably going to buy it up like crazy. These ETFs are going to buy up those lower prices, right? Which is just going to support it. Why each of these analysts have way too different opinions. Some say only $25 million market cap. Some say 50 or more. Because a lot of them don't do any research. That's why. The problem is that you're watching people who don't do research, right? And then you're getting frustrated and confused because you're watching people who don't do research, right? Now, what you have to understand is the $25 million market cap that I talked about in that JASMY review, that was a JASMY review video done by a company. It wasn't my personal JASMY review, right? Batari, what's up, man? Thank you so much for the super chat, brother. Means a lot, man. It's good to see you here. It's been a couple days too, man. Happy birthday, Rob. Thanks for all your research and intel. I'm proud to be a member because of you. I'm getting the hell out of this truck this year before we're all going to die. Absolutely, man. Thank you so much, man. Wow. Ancestry background. Yes, absolutely, man. David, what's up, broski? Good to see you, brother. Good to see you, man. God placed you here to lead, teach, and educate. Yes, I do tend to believe that, my friend. He's given me the tools. I am a Christian, so I do believe that, right? That's why I try to do right by everybody. I try to help as many as I can. Papa Kev, happy birthday. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Hey, Rob, any prediction for next week? Prediction for next week. Are you talking for price action? I mean, listen, I was actually going to get into some of the charts with you guys, right? And we're seeing a lot of bullish signs in a lot of the charts, guys. Like here on Bitcoin, we've gone over it a couple times. We have the inverse head and shoulders likely going to play out, right? If we go over to JASMY, right? Right now we have the falling wedge playing out here on JASMY. It's getting tighter and tighter. Likely these usually break to the upside here. If we go and we look over at, let's look at Swift, right? So Swift coin, boom, looks to be forming. It broke out of the falling wedge pattern here, the bull pennant, and it looks to be forming a bull flag here on the daily time frame for Swift coin. So more bullish patterns seem to be surfacing across the board. And of course, over on XCN, we have this pattern that we have been tracking continues to play out, just ping-ponging in this range. So hopefully we get a break to the upside of this, guys. When JASMY did this from February until, end of February until about, April, May, I think it was, 3 months. It ping-ponged like this, and then it broke to the upside like 350% or something. So I believe that we could see a break eventually if this holds, right? if this holds until we see upside, we could see about a 4 cent XCN, right, in the short term. But we'll see how this plays out. So far, so good. So there is a lot of bullish patterns going on a lot of the different charts right now. Mr. Rob, the review was by which company? JASMY company. I don't remember the name of the company off the top of my head. No, JASMY's not going to review their own token. That's ridiculous, right? It was done by a third-party company that does token project reviews on cryptos, right? That's like me reviewing my own work. That's yeah, no, that wouldn't make any sense. Completely agree with Papa. I earn and share the knowledge. Yes, absolutely, man. Because you know what, knowledge is power, man, and we shouldn't hoard that, right? We shouldn't hoard that. We should definitely help and educate as often as we can, right? So, I believe that is one of the reasons, guys, that I made this channel to begin with, is because I wanted to be able to help people, right? I would go out there on YouTube, and I would watch these videos and stuff, and nobody was giving out any information, right? It was just all fluff. It was all shilling and stuff like that. And I just wanted to create a place where, and that's why the member side of the channel is also only like $4.99, because these other content creators are charging you guys like $50, $100. And they actually increase those prices as we get into the bull run. Then they're charging even higher prices, right? Just to help you. Our member side is only $4.99, and it's always only going to be $4.99. I mean, unless you jump over to the Patreon tier, but the $4.99 one, you know what I mean? Like, I've made it affordable for a reason, right? Because everyone should have the opportunity to get information and to be prosperous in this asset class. We shouldn't hoard the potential of success, right? So absolutely. David with the super chat. Thank you so much, brother. Happy birthday, Rob. Hope there's many more. Yes, me too, brother. Thank you so much again, Dave. You're always supporting the channel, brother. It means a lot, man. It definitely means a lot. Stefan, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Ryan, happy birthday, my man, Rob. Aloha. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. So now is the point where we're going to step into some of the news of the day. So I'm going to be over here. We're going to go through some of the news here. If you want to catch my attention, like I always say, send me a question over in your super chat. I will jump over to it. Hang on. What do we got? $4.99 link, Rob. Make copy. Yeah, I put a link. I put a link to be a member in the chat if you want to be a member. Jenny, happy birthday, my brother. Let our Lord continue protecting you and your family. Long life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So yes, like I said, it's going to jump into the news. If you want to get my attention, fire it over in a super chat, and I will get right to your question. And all right, let's get into it. Let's see what's going on. Boom. So what do we got here? JASMY AI says, JASMY top 10 watch list again this week, guys. It just continues to grow for JASMY. Number 5, JASMY coin. Top searched projects. Love to see it, man. Love to see it. People, that's why the wallets keep growing, guys, because people are looking it up. People are researching it. New people are coming into JASMY, right? That's why we got to push the JASMY content out to the masses. We got to bring them on board, get more people into the community, right? Get more JASMY content out there, because a lot of it is misinformation, right? So, all right, what do we got? Metal Lawman says the SEC versus Binance case has fallen off the radar. Yes, I bet you guys forgot there was a Binance SEC lawsuit going on right now. I kind of did, to be honest with you. We haven't talked about it since January. He says it's been 5 months and the judge has still not ruled on Binance's motion to dismiss. I think the delay could be good sign, as it typically doesn't take a long time to write up a denial of a motion to dismiss. Okay, so basically what he's saying is, it's a very strong possibility that the judge is seriously considering dismissing the case, which would be awesome. So we'll stay on top of that. Another big loss for the SEC in the cards, guys. Let's freaking go. Marty says Bitcoin OG whales have sold over 50,000 BTC in the past 10 days, totaling approximately $3.30 billion. Here you can see the chart of this OG whale selling at the all-time high, which they did in 2017 and 2021. Good news, it seems to be over. The yellow lines show the age of the sold Bitcoin, spikes in the OG long-term holder selling. So we had some OG whales over the last 10 days who have been taking profits on Bitcoin. So that is another reason that we've seen a downtick in the price action as well, right? We've been seeing a lot of sell pressure on Bitcoin. So, yeah, so another good reason. But as Steph shows us here over on the Bitcoin dominance, guys, we have a massive bearish diversion on the Bitcoin dominance. Prepare for altcoin season. BTC will lose a lot of its dominance in the rest of the year. Alts will fly. And guys, that does play into my target for a 52-ish K BTC, because what happens, right? Bitcoin dominance, Bitcoin's going to start to fall. Altcoin season is going to start, right? So it does make sense with my theory. So, and we got, what do we got? We got Mr. Trump talking crypto once again.
To further secure America's future and create opportunity for young people, I will end Joe Biden's war on crypto, and we will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in America. We're going to keep it right here, and a lot of it's going to be done right here in Florida, right? And I will always protect Medicare and Social Security for our great...
That would be a big win. Florida would be a big win for Trump, guys. Definitely. I hope he can pull it off, guys. And listen, I say that not from a political standpoint, but I say that from a crypto standpoint, right? I always say it, guys. We've got two candidates. One has been blatantly trying to kill crypto for 2.5 years. The other is promising to support it. It's not a hard decision, right? Ash says, are you worried about the BTC dip? Read this. In 2016, Bitcoin had a 30% correction post-halving. In 2020, Bitcoin had a 20% correction post-halving. Right now, Bitcoin is going through the same reasons. Miners are selling due to the increased cost of mining. Yes, that's another reason, guys, you have to understand, right? So a lot of the smaller miners have no choice but to not only shut down operations temporarily, but to sell off Bitcoin to sustain themselves as a company, because the supply and demand has not yet affected the price of Bitcoin. It will, it always does. But until that happens, a lot of these miners have to take profits now just to stay in business. But when the boom happens, when the price goes back into effect, it will be far more profitable for miners to hodl, right? So that being said, that is one factor. Miners have no choice but to sell to stay in business right now, the smaller ones, really. BTC's price is factoring in rate cut delays. Yes, that is true. On the other hand, MicroStrategy will soon buy $500 million worth of Bitcoin. Yes, they've actually upped that to 700,000. Billions of dollars worth of BTC are being withdrawn from exchanges, which means they're going to be long-term holds, not selling, and that increases the sentiment of hodling and buying, right? The U.S. presidential candidates are churning pro-crypto by taking donations. The world's biggest banks are becoming increasingly bullish. Yes, guys. If you zoom out, there's so much positivity. You just got to zoom out and look at it, man. You just got to zoom out and look, right? All right, what else do we got? Lark says, if you want to make life-changing money in this bull, here's your playbook. Are you ready? You got a pen and a paper? Most gains are made when you buy in the red and sell in the green. Buy the fear, sell the greed. Exactly. Exactly. It's what I've been saying. If it's red, you know, and here's the thing, people who are newer to crypto, they get frustrated when things are red and all they hear from people is DCA, DCA, buy the dip. But you know what? You're hearing that consistently because it's true, right? People are trying to steer you in the right direction, right? You may be frustrated, but hearing people tell you to buy the dip, this is what you should be doing, right? It stands to logic that if you buy when prices are red and you sell when prices are green, you will make money. So don't get frustrated, right? Get awesome instead. Michael Vandepop says the total market capitalization for crypto is doing fine. There has been a correction of more than 20%, through which the recent correction isn't even that special. It's potentially making a higher low through which the trend continues. Yes, as you can see, higher low. So yes, guys, there's nothing to worry about here. Absolutely nothing. It's beyond me that some people are worried. Check this out, guys. Metaverse, guys. Somebody asked me the other day if I was still bullish on Web3 gaming and Metaverse, and I'm just like, man, absolutely. Check this out, guys. Then this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning.
Steel City crime is at an all-time high in all three zones. Zed's plan to destroy the three zones and relocate its residents.
I got my bounty back. What you doing?
Pretty cool, man. Pretty freaking cool. You know, and it's only going to get more and more impressive with the special effects, with the graphics, right? As technology continues to evolve. It's going to be pretty cool, man. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm excited as all hell about it. So, and then of course, what it's like to be a JASMY holder, guys. Look at the bear market, the FUD, and then we're at the top. This is what's going to happen. And then here's all your friends and all your family who did not listen to you and didn't DCA. Look at them. He's just lucky, right? That's exactly how it plays out, right? Oh, he just won the lottery. It had nothing to do with all the painstaking FUD and negativity they had to go through and stuff. No, it's just luck. Just luck. Come on. All right, what else do we got? Just in, so we talked about this briefly last night. Spot Ethereum ETFs projected to launch by July 2nd, says Bloomberg ETF analyst. Nice, guys. It's coming, guys. It is coming. July 2nd, that's like 2 weeks away, guys. 2 weeks. Oklahoma governor signs a new bill into law that exempts Bitcoin miners from sales tax on electricity bills. Guys, a lot of these states are starting to try to encourage miners to come there, right? Like, America is turning bullish on crypto, guys. It's right in front of our faces. Right in front of our faces. What else do we got? All right, so Sentiment announced the two most popular altcoins of today. These are coming after Bitcoin. Sentiment, one of the most popular cryptocurrency analysis companies, shed light on the current most popular altcoins of the crypto world in this latest analysis. According to analysis company, Bitcoin unsurprisingly remains the most popular cryptocurrency. Analysts think that this popularity took a leap today after former U.S. President Donald Trump announced his interest in Bitcoin mining. In his statement, Trump described Bitcoin as an enemy, Biden as an enemy of BTC, and stated that he wanted all Bitcoins to be released from now on to be issued within the borders of the United States. Following Trump's statement, there was a significant increase in the shares of mining companies traded on the stock exchange in the U.S. Nice. On the other hand, guys, check this out. On the other hand, Sentiment analysts think that in addition to BTC, two cryptocurrencies have become extremely popular these days. The first one is MineSwap, right? Which I don't know much about, but was cited as an example by analysts, according to sentiment, increasing concerns in terms of transparency and reliability may have increased interest in this altcoin. Secondly, guys, sentiment argues that the altcoin called Onyx Coin, XCN, has become one of the most popular altcoins in the cryptocurrency market these days. The reason for this is the use of their core chain verification and Clay chain as a gas fee. Very, very cool, guys. Onyx Coin, XCN, one of the most popular altcoins going right now, guys. More and more people talking about it, more and more people starting to get in. Guys, makes me want to go buy some more this afternoon. Bitcoin turns bearish for a while after Fed announces stable interest rates. Consider these three altcoins for short-term profits. Cybro being number one, Injective, and of course, JASMY Coin. The market sentiment for JASMY appears optimistic. The recent price dip seems to be a minor setback in light of the substantial long-term gains. The coin's significant monthly and half-yearly growth are encouraging signs. Current technical indicators suggest persistent upward momentum. JASMY, designed for data democratization and IoT ecosystems in Japan, holds potential for increased adoption. Its robust performance might attract more investors, fostering greater stability and continued growth. Yeah, and one of those investors potentially is Ripple. That's right, baby. Let's freaking go. Now let's have a look over at some of the bubbles, guys. BTC still 66.1, just barely above 65K. JASMY's up 3.7% on the day. You love to see that. XCN up 2.6%. Miri is having itself a nice little recovery. Got to get me some more of these coins, guys. Got to do some dollar cost averaging. Nice little green afternoon so far. Nice little recovery so far today, guys. Hopefully you guys were dollar cost averaging when things were down as per usual. And yeah, made yourself some tidy little profits, man. What do we got? What a legend. Stu Smith says Bitcoin will do to banks what email did to the post office. I love that. I absolutely love that. All right. And if you are an ASI holder, guys, and you want to know about the migration, what you have to do, Binance announced, and I covered this yesterday, but Binance has announced that they will be supporting the ASI merger. So if you don't know what to do, if you hold your, I don't know if you can, if you have a Binance account, but if you simply just hold your Fetch, Ocean, or SingularityNet over on Binance, your coins will automatically be converted over to ASI coins on July 15th, I believe it is. So yes. Let me just scroll down to the super chat here. Nothing but the North. Thank you so much for the super chat, my friend. Afternoon, sir. Can you tell me the exact name of the web? Can you tell me the exact name of Web3 and where I can buy it? Web3 is not a project. Web3 is it's a narrative for crypto, right? And what I would say, here's what I'll do for you, my friend. I just did a video on some of the top Web3 projects, Web3 gaming projects that I am, not only am I in, but that I am very, very bullish on. So I will put the link in the chat for you for that video, and that will tell you all of the, there's about 5 or 6 of the Web3 gaming plays that I'm very bullish on. So I just put the link in the chat for you. Definitely check that out and have a look at those projects. I think you'll like them. Right. I buy Pith network dip. Nice. So yes, that is how you're going to convert your ASI, guys. Absolutely. If you hold it on Binance, it would just automatically happen. So you're good there. And yeah, so let's go back over to it's going to be interesting, guys, to see how this week closes, because right now, JASMY's getting tighter and tighter inside of this range. As you can see, the moving averages are kind of coming together here, putting JASMY in a tight spot, right? We've held support above this moving average, and, but we can't seem to break above that 35 cents of resistance level. Something's got to give, guys. This usually, these bull pennants usually break to the upside, so we could see a break out of this over the next couple of days, hopefully on the weekly, right? Sometime before the end of tomorrow. We could break back up over to the next resistance level around that 4-cent level again, right? And then we'll ping pong back up there. If we can break through there, well, that's a completely different story, right? But that's what we're keeping an eye on in the short term for right now. So, all right, let's get back into the chat, guys, and see what's going on. Do you think XCN can list it on more platforms like Binance soon? Let's have a look over at XCN right now. How's that? Let's check where XCN is currently listed. Currently listed on, well, I mean, it's already on Coinbase, right? It's on Kraken. It's on Gate.io. Kraken and Coinbase are two tier 1 exchanges. KuCoin, MEXC. It's got some decent listings, but I'm not seeing Crypto.com yet. It's on BitTrue. So, yes, I do honestly believe we could see Binance listed. I do believe we could see we could see Binance, we could see Crypto.com, to name a few. I do believe we will, not could we, but I believe that we will see these projects get listed, especially since I just talked about how Onyx Coin is becoming one of the most popular, talked about altcoins out there right now, right? So gaining that kind of social momentum will definitely encourage tier 1 exchanges to list. So absolutely. Kevin with the super chat. Happy birthday, Rob Father. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. It's greatly, greatly appreciated, man. I hope you're having a fantastic afternoon with your family too, brother. What do we got? Bruno. They will also tell you to buy the dip in the bull run when the bull market is over. So just watch. Yeah. Well, that's the thing, is that a lot of those YouTubers don't. That's why you gotta make sure who you're watching knows what they're talking about, right? I see a wide range of content creators right now. Some of them I see saying stuff like the bull run's over, and it hasn't even come close to starting yet, guys. It's scary how uninformed some of them are, right? But again, a lot of people just say stuff for clicks, right? Bruno, happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Yeah, you know what I decided to give myself for my birthday, guys? I'm going to give myself, boom, a chest workout. No pecs, no sacks, right? Let's go, guys. Happy birthday, fellow Gemini. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you, brother. And I assume your birthday, since you're a Gemini. Happy birthday to you too, my friend. Rob, happy birthday and cheers. Thank you so much, man. Jay, what's up, buddy? Happy birthday, Rob. Thank you so much. Xin, what's going on, man? AKP, happy birthday, Rob. Thank you. John, yes, happy Saturday. Blessings, blood in the streets. Bye, Crow Nation. Yes, definitely. You know what? Crow is another project I'm not holding yet, but I have been meaning to stack a massive bag of it, though, because I believe Crow is going to have a hell of a bull run, guys. Massive community behind Crow. Where is it right now? Guys, 10-cent Crow. Fantastic opportunity, man. Absolutely. I am bullish on Kronos. Birthday wishes to you, Rob. Stay healthy, wealthy, and happy family. Stay blessed. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Rob. Blessings. Thank you, John. I appreciate it, brother. Axler. 98 cents, $682 million market cap. Sorry, $721 million market cap. No max supply. All-time high was 3 months ago, $3.65. Nice, nice, nice. What do they do? Interoperability. Polychain cat. So it's in a lot of portfolios. But what do they do besides interoperability? I hate when they put that as a tag because it's like, you know, you could be a little more specific. Programmable Web3 interoperability platform, scaling the next generation of internet applications to billions of users. Nice, nice, nice. Very active on their socials. Yeah, seems like a solid project, my friend. Seems like a solid project. Got some good listings too. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken. Very nice. Very nice. Good call. Gene, do you think Ka can delete 3 zeros in the next bull run? How many zeros we got now? I mean, yeah. I mean, it's the market cap's reasonably low. It's possible. It's not guaranteed, but I do think that it is in the range of possibility. Chris, yep. Birthday today and just ordered some new weights for mine. Nice. Happy birthday, buddy. Yeah, I'm getting in a chest workout today for my birthday. It's going to be fantastic. I'm just going to blast some Rob Bailey, and I'm just going to go through an epic chest workout. It's going to be fun, man. Rob, I'm going on a trip to Cancun, Mexico with some of my profits, 2 daughters and wife. Nice. Take your family, man. You guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic trip, my friend. Yeah, I can't wait. Once this bull runs over, I'll probably take my family out on some sort of a vacation as well. Will be a fantastic time. But yes, absolutely, man. Have a very, very fun trip for you, your wife, and your daughters, man. Be sincere. Happy birthday, bro. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Definitely means a lot, guys. I am friggin' starving. Friggin' starving. So yes. All right. We are caught up on the chat, guys, and we have got through the news of the day. I have not decided yet whether I'm going to be live tonight or not. It's going to be time permitted, right? So I'll try to pop in for a little bit, guys, this evening. But once again, guys, thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you for the birthday wishes, guys. It definitely means a lot. You know, I love this community. I really do. And you guys have always been so supportive of me and the channel. And I appreciate you guys hanging with me through the last year and a half and hopefully for years to come, man. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. I really, really do. And I will see you guys. Hopefully, I'll see you guys this evening. Otherwise, have yourselves a fantastic rest of your day. Chris, make sure you have a happy birthday, my friend. And yeah, I'm going to go eat some lunch. So I will see you guys a little bit later.